1957 Jeeps out there. And, because they were all 57s. And he later bought a new one. He said, I don't even touch this one.
And boy, you guys gonna work on this year.
Yep.
We'll, me and Joe and Jim will go over and get the bridge finished up what we can today. And then, when we get done, we'll head over to, we'll meet back with you all over Canyon. The rest of it is at Canyon Rim. So, Canyon Rim, I'll just go ahead and start clearing the trail itself, and Maya, if you want, go ahead and do the handrail. That will be done.
Okay.
And then when we come back over here later, if we get, as long as we don't run into nothing, we'll be over, before you guys quit. And then maybe we'll start doing some of the, setting some of the posts and signs and stuff. So we'll just, all meet back up over there at the intersection.
Where the picnic table is.
Yeah, where the picnic table is. So we could even start on the picnic table. Start on the picnic table. Some people start digging signposts and stuff. And we'll just finish the day out there. So.
And I think it's going to hold the sun. Going down? Yeah, I'd,
Fill in form.
yeah, we'll, dirt these, just pour it out, and we,
This abutment's not going up with it.
these are still tied. Yeah, the timber's going up.
This is staying still.
Well, we got these screwed.
Oh yeah, that's why.
That and
Hey Jeff, you don't want to go doing that. Remember that rebar's going through that concrete.
yeah. I know,
We gotta get these blocks out.
yeah, we got two
Yeah.
blocks in the center. We'll have to try to get it up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Hopefully it'll slide a little bit. It might not do it. But.
A claw hammer and dig up under them here.
We got a claw hammer over there.
And out one.
I'm gonna lift it up a little bit, Jim.
That should get you enough to get the timbers out. Or do you have two timbers under
Let
there?
me leave it there while he's working. Very good, Jim.
So it brought that loose. A bark.
Still tight.
These.
Yeah, these here. Give you some room to work.
It can't go anywhere no matter
Yeah.
if it falls.
Yeah.
Go.
Weight on that sucker.
There is weight on it.
Yeah.
I can lift up the other side.
If we had something to pinch.
Let me try lifting up the other side.
There's a little bit of concrete on the back. It'll eventually.
Yeah, that piece of rebar there shoved up that big. Pull that board out. Yep. Flip the board over.
Yeah, I'd say it probably.
Set up pretty good.
I think he's lopping some of the bigger stuff off, but it's sort of nice to have somebody behind, because then I know if I leave it behind, it gets trimmed. I'll just go through a little faster than I had been.
All right.
And count on you guys to sort of clean up some of the mess behind. And then Cheryl's been, maybe she showed you,
Yeah.
gathering up as much as possible what's on the trail and sort of
Even it.
getting it back.
think it's gonna be good because it's got sugar in it.
2 cars. We're gonna get that car, and they're gonna go down and take the 5-year-old to see the dinosaurs at the Smithsonian. She's absolutely fascinated with that.
We've been there.
The Smithsonian's probably free.
Oh my. This is incredible, right? Stuff that's in here. Yes. Wow. They piled up some rocks here. Looks like. This must be maybe the Kirby you're talking about here. I don't know. I don't know. Or maybe he means this. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, no, that's.
Oh,
Kirby.
here, here.
Let's see what the deed is.
Yeah. What's that?
That's the cell phone thing that Luke put up.
Oh, okay, okay. I wonder if they had to cut this or if it
I
was
think
down.
this might be the one that fell.
Oh, okay.
Part of it.
Oh, so here we are.
Yeah, see that one right there? It snapped off of there. It was real, well there it is, laying there. It was real tall. I think it was laying clear over.
This is wonderful. Oh, look at that poor picnic table. We were supposed to go get boards, pick up boards for you guys to fix those.
Nah, we got 2 new tables down below we'll bring up for it. There were 2 tents up there, now there's only 1. I think that's handlebar.
Okay.
Size.
Oh, this will make a nice fire pit.
Very nice.
How far down here will there be sites? Then?
I don't know.
How will this be?
I think they're planning on maybe putting 5. That's the 5 tents.
Okay.
But you could put in lots.
Oh, and it's his little tent. This is just a little job.
Okay. Well, it is 6:32 now.
Okay.
The big tree there, I hope it's good and healthy.
Yeah.
There's a lot of trees here, so it's not bad shape.
We're Jimmy and Marilyn Haar, and we are the caretakers of the Harmon Mountain Farm, and we get to live in this beautiful place, and we are so thankful to the Allegheny Trail people that are here that are doing these campsites for us, these tent sites, and that's one less thing we have to do. So it's wonderful to have that work done for us. And we invite any of you to come here and camp here and use our facilities, and we'd love to meet you. And we've enjoyed meeting the ones that are here. So thank you.
Thank you for coming and for doing the work, and we look forward to meeting more of you in the future. Thank you.